Let's take a look at Raptor's 1K Pro Primer and how to use it. You'll need a can of the 1K Pro Primer, some wax and grease remover, P180 to 240 grit sandpaper, and some rags. Now this product is compatible with steel, aluminium, fibreglass, plastic, most body fillers, and previously painted surfaces, as long as the surface is prepped correctly. Today we're going to paint a plastic grille off a Toyota Surf. As always, make sure you wear the correct personal protective equipment and are painting in a well ventilated area. To start off with, we're going to degrease the surface and sand it down with P180 to 240 grit sandpaper. We're going to degrease it again and make sure all surfaces are dry and dust free before spraying. We're going to shake the can for 2 minutes to thoroughly mix the primer through the can to ensure an even application. Hold the can 15 to 25 centimeters from the surface and apply 1 to 2 coats, allowing 5 to 10 minutes flush off time in between coats. At a temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius, the surface should be sandable in about 1 hour. For best results, sand with P400 to 600 grit sandpaper before applying a top coat. However, you can give it a top coat within 1 hour if you're overcoating it with Raptor's 1K enamels or touch-up paint, and there's no need for sanding. Once finished, turn the can upside down and spray it until it runs clear, and chuck it back on the shelf for next time. Before you get started on your project, make sure you head to raptorcoatings.com.au to check out the rest of the range and have a look at our safety and technical data sheets.